Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, I will guide you through how to update AIB mobile banking application on your device. For that, first of all, open App Store on your device. Then, tap on the search icon which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. From here on the search bar, search for AIB Bank. Here, find the app labeled with AIB Mobile and go through it. Now, if you see update button instead of open, that means your application needs to get updated. Simply tap on the update button, then it will take some time and your application will be updated to the latest version. Here, as you can see, in my case, I have open button. That means I'm using the latest version of this application. In this way, you can easily update your application. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.